Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. I'm Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every morning, except yesterday, I come to you live at 8 o'clock and on Saturdays at 9 to start our day with some crafting fun. Thanks for bearing with me yesterday. I think the 3 days, 4 days, I don't know how many days of rain and gloom got to me, and I found myself sleeping in, and I totally missed our morning crafting. It was really depressing because then all I had to do was go to work. So it's really great to see you this morning. Good morning, Michelle. It's great to be back. This week I am focusing on the Peony Garden Suite, and we've talked about this, and I've got a helpful tip for you. So let's get started. Today we're making the same card twice. I know, right? So I've got 2 thick Whisper White pieces of cardstock, and they measure 5.5 by 8.5. So that's really 1 sheet of cardstock, okay? Just cut in half. And it's scored at 4 1/4. Next, I have some basic gray at 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. And don't worry, all the measurements will be over on my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Then I took a piece of this very pretty basic gray, or I'm sorry, that's gray granite. Gray granite on one side and pink on the other. So it's 5 3/4 by, 5 by 3 3/4. And I just cut an inch strip off the bottom. That's going to go on one. And then I did the same thing, only I cut an inch strip here. All right. So really it's the same card 2 ways. I'm going to get out my, you know what, I'm going to use liquid glue today because I'm piecing 2 pieces of paper and I want to make sure I get them straight. Do you have this Peony Garden Suite yet? Because it is beautiful. Good morning, Lynn. It's great to see you, and Diane is here. Wow, everybody's here this morning. Hooray. I'm getting pretty excited. Next weekend is my Stampin' Bee team retreat, virtual retreat. And so I had a meeting yesterday with the girls who are helping me put it together, and we're putting the final touches on it. And oh, my tutorial's done. Woo, that makes me feel good. And I have to make sure I put the adhesive on the right side. My projects are done. I used the Cute Fruit stamp set. Well, that was named appropriately because it is stinking cute. What did I do? Good morning. I'm going to overlap that a little bit because we're going to cover it up anyways. Just probably left too much of a margin up at the top. And oh, Cute Fruit. It's what's on my mind this morning because it is super, super cute. I've got some team members watching, so I'm not going to tell you too much about it. But I will tell you that I'm going to run that class as my Sweet and Simple class for July. So get ready. Sweet and Simple for July is going to be Cute Fruit. And it's totes adorbs. Okay? And then I'll put this right down here. I should be able to get that ad out to you for signups probably Monday. Okay? All right. Sticky. All right, are you ready for my quick tip? You know, I've been showing you how to use your Stamparatus, right? By putting your negative image after you cut out your dies and we've been putting our stamps in here. So let me show you, because I have a whole collection here, right? Here's the one for the big peony, right? And here's the one for the smaller bloom, the medium-sized. And here's the one for my little one, okay? So not only when I get my sweets or my bundles do I make a cheat sheet so I can see at a glance what is here, but I also keep my negative images so that the next time I need to die cut something, I know I've already got these handy, and I just stick them over with my stamps and my dies, and I'm good to go, all right? So I don't have to worry about making sure that I've got a negative the next time. Okay, so my paper's a little bit used, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead. Ugh, my magnet stuck to my to my video stand. Is kind of funny. All right, ready? Line that up. And I have my stamp here. And you just put that in, and you can feel it, right? It's not going to slide because it's just right there. Close it up. And I have 2 images, so we're going to stamp it twice. And I'm going to stamp it in Petal Pink. Sorry, Mr. B. Kind of squished him there. All right. Close that up. And we'll do it one more time. Good morning, Debbie. Oh, it's good to see. I've got some new people here. Kathy from Missouri. And Debbie Horinsky. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. Welcome. See that? Don't panic. You're using your Stamparatus. So just re-ink and do it again. Look at that. The old me before the Stamparatus would have been, oh, I can't believe I did that. The Stamparatus. I'm telling you, it's going to save your life. Okay, I made a mess, so I'm going to clean that up. I'll clean that after we're done. Put that away. Now, grab your basic gray. And then I have some of these stitched nested label dies that I've already pre-cut. Oh, I need a block. Okay, and I'm stamping My Thoughts Are With You. Is that the one I got the label on crooked? I guess we'll find out, right? Let's do a little test. Why, yes. Yes, it is. All right. I should be using my Stamparatus for this one. All right. Close enough. Now, we have all of our pieces stamped. And we have our 2 cards. And I have some of this Petal Pink organdy ribbon. And I'm going to tie this right up here, okay? So usually we're going to cover that seam, and I'm going to make sure that it goes right there, okay? I'm looking for my snips. Hey, how many of you got your paper pumpkins already? Did you get it in the mail? I got mine yesterday. So Saturday morning for coffee and cards, we're going to be doing paper pumpkin. All right, I can't wait. Oh my goodness, I can't pick that up. Can't wait. Sunshine in a box. Boy, after all the rain we've had in North Carolina this week, it couldn't have gotten here any sooner. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for this piece here. If you look at my weather report, it says I'm in for rain for the next 10 days. It was really funny because after the rain quit, the sun came out yesterday, and I saw neighbors I haven't seen in ages. Everybody was running outside to get out of the house. It's really rained here. And boy, the kids were outside playing. Dogs were barking. It was a good evening. Okay, and most importantly, I got to sit outside on the porch for the first time since the weekend. I do love my screen porch. We ordered some dinner. It was perfect. Oh, crash. All right, so we're going to put one here like that. Boy, I'm just sticky all over this morning. Oh, you'd think I'd never used adhesive before in my life. I have a dear friend. Actually, I took her to Greece with me last year on the incentive trip. And when I met her, she introduced herself with, I can't even use glue. So every time I have a little glue catastrophe, I think of my friend Sarah. All right. I've got some dimensionals. I'm going to put this right over here. And because I've got the ribbon, I'm going to put dimensionals across the top and across the bottom. All right? Otherwise, it doesn't stick very well on that ribbon. Your paper pumpkins are in North Carolina. Are you tracking them, Michelle? I'm very happy. That yellow sunshine box. Whew. Have you guys seen a sneak peek for the paper pumpkins for July? All I'm going to say is fireflies. Very cute. Coming from the West Coast, we never had fireflies. And so the first time I ever saw them outside of like Pirates of the Caribbean at Disneyland was when I was a little girl to visit my uncle and his family that lived in Pennsylvania. I thought those were the coolest things. Catch them and put them in jars. Okay, now this flower is going to go right here. And we're going to put a dimensional just on the back. Here. Like so. Okay, right on the back. Now let's see if we can find some of those pretty little gems. Here they are. Okay, so these are the elegant faceted gems that come in the Peony Garden Suite. And they're really nice. nice. All right, I think we need some pink ones today. We haven't used any pink ones. Well, not very many. Let's use little ones. I don't know about you, but I tend to use the little ones a little bit more. Okay. I really like these. I like that better. Do you ever do that? Like put down and then decide you like something better? So quick and easy this morning, okay? Perfect for your first cup of coffee. And don't forget, don't throw these away, okay? You're gonna use them with your Stamparatus. Stick them in with your dies, right? Look, these are gonna fit right inside my Peony Dies folder so that I'll have them and I won't ever have to worry about having that negative image again. All right, thanks for watching me, everyone. Tomorrow we're going to wrap up our final day of Peony Garden, and then on Saturday morning for Crafty Saturday, we'll be using paper pumpkin. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you stop over at my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Bye-bye.